So I choose number 5 as my material. So the question is to describe grant and revoke can be implemented regarding to security and administration in a database management system. So let's start with functional of grant and revoke. Grant and revoke are a command that able to giving access to other people and can take the access back. It happened because maybe there is a data that can shown to public, or some data cannot be shown to some position on some company. So there is many kind of action that able to do if someone get privilege. There is select is to see or review data, and then delete, update, and insert data. But you cannot have that all. You can have that all if get the permission from the owner of the table. If you only get privilege to delete, then you just can to delete rows of data from table. If you only get insert, then your job is only to insert, record, or insert a new rows in a table. Grant. Example of query for grant are: the first row is grant. Next to it, what privilege do you want to give? The example is select, upgrade. But if you want to give all, just type all privilege. Then next to it, type the open bracket and type what column do you want to give the access edit. Example column is staff position, staff salary, staff ID in the column, and then close the bracket. After that, you should use on in the bottom of the grant. On are used for the table. The example is on staff. And the next step is to the position are under on staff. So 2 is under on staff. Example for 2 is to director or maybe to public. So 2 is for someone that you want to give the privilege. Revoke. Same as grant, just change the name with revoke. So that the function from grant and revoke. That's how if they implement with security and administration, we can manage who can view and edit the data. So no unknown people will access our data or view our data. Thanks.